Instagram has found a new way to make your chats fun, and it's all about how you're sending your voice notes. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Instagram has officially launched a new feature named AI Voice Effect in DMs, allowing users to add filters to their voice notes. Instagram said its users can add filters to their voice notes while sending them to others on the platform. Users can select from a list of 8 AI voice effects, including chipmunk, demon, alien, robot, underwater, stadium, wobble, and fishbowl. Moreover, the company allows users to switch back to the unadulterated version of the voice note by clicking on the original button. Instagram users can easily check the name of the voice filter that was added by clicking on the voice note. The recipients can also tap on it to mimic the AI voice effect before sending it to your friends or any family member. If you're seeking ways to access Instagram's AI voice effects, don't worry. You just need to open Instagram and go to the DM section, tap on the voice note record button, then click on the AI voice effects button under the voice note and record the voice note. Once recorded, you can click on one of the AI voice effects mentioned above to change the tone of the voice recording. You can also preview the voice note before sending the voice note to others. So, what are you waiting for? Don't just send reels. Show your friends you were an alien behind that account this whole time. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.